Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Toyota Corolla LE. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan in classic silver metallic. And under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch alloy wheels. Some exterior features include sunroof, a backup camera, and heated mirrors for the convenience that you crave. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this Toyota has to offer.
Helping us into our Corolla, we have our key fob, so we got the lock and unlock buttons. We also have our trunk latch button and then our panic switch as well. So we're gonna unlock once for the driver's side door, twice for all 4. Now that our vehicle is unlocked, we're gonna look at our mirror right here. So we do have heated mirrors. It's great for those winter months. Open right up and check out our door. So driver's side door, we have some nice styling and detailing along here. Plus we have our window buttons, lock and unlock, plus we have the window locks as well. Looking just below, a little heads up, we have our trunk latch and then we have our gas cap latch as well. Plus we have some nice detailing along the seat right above our adjusters right here. So looking at our interior, it's a nice interior. Plus we have our power sunroof, which is fantastic in that upgrade portion. We have some nice seating in here, some nice leather, or not leather seats, but we have some fabric seats. Okay. So now that we have arrived, let's start it up. Okay, so just checking out, we have 57,803 kilometers on this vehicle, so we have lots of life left. Some nice low blue lighting. Just along the steering wheel here, we have our mode select for AM, FM, then we have our volume, plus we have our channel changers. On the right hand side, we can change our display. Looking at all the little information it can give us. Oh, nice, there we go. That was just the right hand side. We also have voice recognition, plus we have hands-free calling, and then lane departure alert, plus dynamic radar cruise control. And then we have our cruise control right behind our right hand as well. So looking at our entertainment system, we have our audio system. We'll press that. We can look at AM, FM, USB, CD, Bluetooth, and then auxiliary. Our Bluetooth also works for our hands-free calling. So looking at this button right here, the car gives us our consumption rate. We can look at our record. Maybe it's time to change the way we drive, or maybe we've been driving very well and it's got a consistent record. We don't know. You're gonna have to come and try it out for yourself. Just below, we have the climate system right here. It's all via paddles, so we can just press these up and down. We can change the blowing, or we can change the area that the air is circulating to. We also have the air conditioning right here, plus we have exterior plus interior, and then defrost. This one works with the heated mirrors as well. So just below, 12-volt DC outlet, plus we have our heated seats. Mine's on high, my butt's all toasty. Plus we have the USB and the auxiliary input right there. And then we have our nice leather feature gear shift right here. We can pop that down. We can go into sport mode, then we can bring it down, and that's super low sport mode. Then we also have our traction control, and then we have the 2 cup holders with the removable insert. We have the center console, opening that up, and we can look at how much room we have in here. And then our glove box, opening this up, we can pop as much literature as we need in there, plus anything extra, some Kleenexes and napkins if there's any inevitable spills, because those are bound to happen. Lots of space in there. And then we also have the sunroof buttons right here, nice and easy to operate, open and close, up and down. Read them and weep, press them, and they work. And then if the sun is too warm, we can always pull this screen up. Lots of options in here. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. So we'll check out the large amount of cargo space that's in the Corolla LE. So just opening up, I've used our key fob, holding this button. So we'll look inside. We have an immense amount of space back here. Plus we have the 60/40 splitting rear seats to give us some space for anything longer we might need to pop in. So looking just underneath here, we do have our spare tire, our jack, and all of our tools that we will use to change that. So that's the cargo space. And just below, we have our backup camera as well right here, giving us an extra set of lights, or giving us an extra set of eyes in the back of our head there.
So let's take a last look at our 2017 Toyota Corolla LE. Some other features include a 6.1-inch touchscreen entertainment system with Bluetooth connectivity and Toyota Safety Sense for features that you expect. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so come on in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.